just met up with John Author's boy. About to grab a coffee and get absolutely rowdy, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, baby.
Bliss.
Wow.
Are we walking down, Lewis? Is that what we're doing?
So excited hanging out with Caleb Gomez and John Authors tonight. Let's see what we get up to, boy. Hola, amigo. Hola. Bro, I'm a vlogger, bro. I'm an influencer, bro. Come on, bro. I'm an influencer, bro. We're just at the local shack. Yeah.
Your hangout spot.
The local shack.
Yeah.
With the boys. With what? What do you say?
You should get them to sponsor your video.
Just documenting what antisocial behavior looks like. Yeah, antisocial behavior. Oh, sorry, bro. You're just on your phone while we're hanging out. My bad.
Shut up!
Oh, just out here in the street with Johnny Stevens. We're about to go get a coffee. Bro, have you ever had another man just...
I have.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Moments Cafe, bro. Oh, Kane.
Bro,
Kane from
can I get
Global
a
Heart.
photo?
Kane from Global
You're
Heart,
so
bro.
sick.
Oh, tell us, bro. What do you want to tell the fans?
This guy right here should run for Prime Minister.
Oh, bro. Hey, man, bro. What do you reckon? Yo, it's your boy, Julian. I'm just at work. I've got 28 minutes left to go, and I'm pretty done. Today I'm going to kick back. That's what I'm going to do. Woo! Brother! Oh, look at this! Look at this! Frying pan straight to the plate. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't normally eat like that.
Really? Of all places.
Tell us what your favourite thing at 7-Eleven is.
Just the encounters worthy of God's presence.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, what a man. Bro, I need content, bro. I need content.
Become one of those
bro,
guys.
you are what a man.
Just film everything.
Bro, look at Chelsea Aluminium. Go give him a like, bro.
Call us up. People don't want to see
Bro,
that.
show me your finger.
People don't want to see
Bro,
that,
show
bro.
me your finger. Oh, bro. Oh, no, content. We're going to Korean barbecue. Korean barbecue. Let's go. The freaking squad. Oh, is this Tip Snowden, bro?
Yeah, buddy.
Who's this guy? Mr. John Taylor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie.
Hey, bro.
Wait,
Chop, chop. Chop, chop, bro.
Wait, what's that?
Chop, chop.
Wait, what's that?
That's our pineapple, bro.
No way.
No, that's
Chances just eat something straight away. Right now.
carrot, radish.
Eat it.
That's a carrot.
It's
Not a
sweet.
carrot.
That is not carrot.
I'm confident.
It is. It's radish.
Oh, right.
Love it.
Pray over Devlin and we say, heal his lungs.
Yeah,
in the name
let's
of
go.
Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, do it. Do it, God. Alright, let's mung. Let's mung.
Bro, y'all are flexing on your cricket. No, this is.
Hey, bro, you want me to feed you? Wait, here, let me feed you.
Right, alright, yeah.
How do I do this?
Yeah, you gotta go like this.
Wait.
Yeah, yeah, just go out, go out.
Ah.
Whack.
Oh, what? Is this what you use the scissors for? The
Yeah,
noodles?
yeah.
What the hell?
Chop, chop, buzz.
God's off.
No, I've got those.
What? From something?
Sorry, yeah.
I've been looking trying to
Wait,
get
small, bro? It's mint chop. Ben and Jerry's.
Hey man, if you do it already, subscribe to Jillian.
Subscribe.
Jillian Dan's channel.
Subscribe.
If you don't subscribe.
Bro, all
You're
I'm
wasting
saying
your
though
life.
is I want. Hey, do you want to be in my vlog?
Oh, good day,
guy's alive,
I
mate.
would
Look
love
at
to.
I'm good just trying to do it.
Camera shy, are you?
Yeah, he don't know what to say now. He's like, can I read it?